So yeah, well, this was like the main melody which was coming in mind after like jamming a little bit around after going to the studio. And we already have here the vocal which I recorded with the singer. I can show it to you as well. Maybe it's better to make it without any effect, like the plain vocal.
Faded gravity, melting away.
Yeah, and I have to say she was like super professional. I mean, we recorded the vocal like, I don't know, maybe for 4 or 5 hours. So she was recording like 50 or 60 different takes, and in the end we decided together which parts we're gonna take. And actually we did not so much effects on the vocal, because like her voice is like already super tough and super smart and sounds really, really good. So I was just putting some compression to it, and I was doing like some reverb on it. Actually, like this one is like super good. And what else we have? We had like a little effect plug in to give the voice like not like the super cleanness, so it's like doing a little has like a little stutter effect. I don't know how to call it, but it makes it like a little bit flattering the vocal. You can just hear it now with all the effects, so you can hear the difference. Just a plain vocal.
Faded gravity, melting away.
Yeah, it's like super tiny what I have done with the vocal, but I think that's like for this track it was actually super nice. And then there was like this problem that we had, the problem that the vocal was coming like it was like popping up, so it's coming out a little bit too fast for us. So I had the idea to take like a little sample of the vocal, just reverse it to get like this little tiny, I don't know, effect coming up. It's also a little bit crazy to explain, but I can just let it play so you can imagine how this is gonna work.
Faded gravity.
So it mainly sounds like a little intro that there's coming something up, and this makes like the vocal like more smooth to come in and not like popping up out of nowhere. And we also did like the same thing with the piano part, that we did also taking a little snippet out of it and reversed it before the piano starts. I can show this to you same way. Actually, I think this is a really good thing you can do to start like something new and smooth.